Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're doing absolutely fine. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you one of the common problem which we will face. So if you download the Roblox app in your Android phone, then you will see the something went wrong problem in this. So how you can solve this problem I will show you in this video. So watch this video till end. If you skip this video, then you will not understand very well. So you will see like this, something went wrong, please try again later. So how you can solve this problem I will show you. If you are new in this channel, then please subscribe this channel and press bell icon and select all to get all notifications videos. So let's get started. So if you want to solve this problem, then first of all you have to go to your Android phone setting, then you have to go to apps or application manager if you are using another device except Samsung phones. Then go to the Roblox app, then go to storage setting. Then you will see below there are two options, there is clear cache and clear data. So first do clear cache only. If you done clear data, then you will sign out from this application. So go back and then second step, you have to go into the Play Store and then type Roblox app and then update this application. If you update, then your problem will automatically solved. So if any problem, then comment below, and if any problem, then message me in Instagram. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please hit like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.